Hi guys, Shweta is welcoming you to the show Pharmacy Crash Course Division in Knowledge Club online. I came today with another very short type video on initiation and conduction of an impulse during a heartbeat. In previous lecture, we learned very easy form about cardiac muscle contraction process. Today, we will learn about that cardiac muscle conduction method in easy form. So, let's start. We learned at previous one episode that the cardiac conduction system is a collection of nodes and specialized conduction cells that initiate and coordinate contraction of the heart muscle. It consists of sinoatrial node, SA node, atrioventricular node, AV node, atrioventricular bundle or bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. In this lecture, we shall look at the cardiac conduction system, the functions and clinical correlations. At first, the sinoatrial SA node normally generates the action potential, that is the electrical impulse that initiates contraction. The SA node excites the right atrium RA, travels through Bachmann's bundle to excite left atrium LA. The impulse travels through internodal pathways in RA to the atrioventricular AV node. Impulse arrives at the AV node where there is a momentary delay because action potentials are transmitted more slowly in these cells than in other cells of the conduction system. Impulse leaves the AV node and travels through the atrioventricular bundle of His in the interventricular septum. Atrioventricular bundles only travels a short distance before splitting into right and left bundle branches. Impulse travels to the myocardial cells of the ventricle by means of an extensive network of conduction fibers called Purkinje fibers. An organized rhythmic contraction of the heart requires adequate propagation of electrical impulses along the conduction pathway. Of note, the impulses in the His-Purkinje system travel in such a way that papillary muscle contraction precedes that of the ventricles, thereby preventing regurgitation of the blood flow through the AV valves. Now, we learn about the control of heartbeat. Both the SA node and the AV node are capable of generating spontaneous action potentials. However, the SA node usually sets the pace because it fires more frequently than the AV node. 70 impulses per minute compared to 50 impulses per minute means SA node conduct 70 impulses per minute and AV node conduct at 50 impulses per minute. After cells in the AV node are stimulated by impulses coming from the SA node, they go into a refractory period. If the SA node fails to fire or if impulses from it are blocked, the AV node can take over. Then how the spread of excitation occur? The action potential is initiated at the SA node and spreads as a wave through the atrial muscle. When the impulse reaches the AV node, there is a delay before the AV node fires. This gives the atria time to squeeze blood into the ventricles before they fire. The impulse is then carried by way of the AV bundle and the right and left bundle branches to the apex of the heart and then spread through the walls of the ventricles towards the base of the heart. This enables the heart to pump more efficiently as the contraction starts at the apex and travels towards the base where the blood is finally ejected from the ventricles. So this is the overall structure of the cardiac muscles conduction process for generating action potential. Next episode we will discuss on cardiac action potential process. Before ending today's episode, if you like this video, then like, share and comment freely, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. After subscribing the channel, please click on the bell button to get our updates regularly. One announcement here: if you or your family members have interest in history, then you can follow another division of Knowledge Club online, that is Itihash Kotha. You can know the true stories of Indian history, where the narrator name is Mr. Soumitra Banerjee. I am coming with the next video on very shortly. Till then, goodbye.